Have you ever pondered the distinction between software and hardware? Perhaps you've heard these terms thrown around in conversations about computers or smartphones, or maybe you've come across them while browsing the internet. They're integral parts of our digital world, so let's delve into what they mean. Imagine an orchestra. The instruments like violins, trumpets, and drums are the hardware. They're tangible. You can touch them, feel the texture, and even play a tune. The software, on the other hand, is the sheet music. It's the instructions the musicians follow to create a symphony. You can't physically touch it, but it guides the operation of the hardware. So, in the world of technology, hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system. It includes everything from the computer itself to the monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and even the internal components like the hard drive, motherboard, and processing unit. Hardware is tangible. You can physically touch it. On the flip side, software is the collection of instructions that direct the hardware. It's the programs and data that make the hardware work. Software includes everything from the operating system that runs your computer to the apps on your phone or the games on your console. It's intangible, you can't physically touch it. While they are different, software and hardware have a symbiotic relationship. The software can't function without the hardware, and the hardware is useless without the software. They work together to perform tasks, process data, and provide the functionalities we rely on every day. However, there are distinct differences. When hardware breaks, it usually requires physical repair or replacement. But when software malfunctions, it often needs debugging, updating, or reinstalling. Hardware tends to be more durable, lasting for several years, while software can become obsolete as newer versions are released. In summary, hardware and software are two halves of the same whole. Hardware, the tangible instruments of the digital world, and software, the intangible instructions that guide them, work hand in hand to create the digital experiences we've come to rely on. They're different, but they need each other. Just like an orchestra needs both instruments and sheet music to create a symphony, a computer needs both hardware and software to function.